This training video will show you how to set up a course with multiple price options. We are ready to log into WBAS. So log in. Squadron Administration, Course Management. And we're going to pick the option to add course. The course we're going to use in our example is Boating Essentials with multiple pricing options. The first option will be to register a student with the full kit with the printed textbook. The second option will be a full kit except the textbook will be in ebook format. And the third option will be for a second family member. Event name then is going to be Boating Essentials. And we're going to run this in the fall of 2014. The squadron by default is Agincourt, event type is a course, and the course proper description is Boating Essentials. And we're going to say that it's only available for a squadron administration only until we are satisfied that the information is completed and correct. Going to the next step. And now this is where we set up our event description. The description will be, okay, the best option is to pick up the description from the boatingcourses.ca screen. It's correct and concise, and it's always up to date. So highlight the text, right click, copy. Go back onto our course setup, right click, paste, and there is our course description. Going to the next step, and we are going to set up the dates. The starting date is September, and we're going to say September the 9th, 2014, and the starting time will be 1900 hours. Notice that I put a colon in between the hours and the minutes. Always do that, because in some cases, depending on the option you pick for the ending time, WBAS is looking for the colon, and if it's not there, it will fail and will not set up the course for you or simply give you an error. So always get into the habit of putting the colon between the hours and minutes and seconds. So starting September the 9th and 1900 hours, duration we are going to say other is going to end in October the 28th, 2014 at 21 colon 00 minutes, 2100 hours. Next, venue name, we'll say Agincourt Yacht Club. Conference room. Street address is the Agincourt Marina, the only one in town. And the city, I wonder what the city is. Ontario. Next, contact name. This is normally the name of the training officer. So we're going to put our training officer here. Phone number 516-555-1212, 7878, whatever. Email address jb@gmail.com. Website, we don't need the website. BCC, event contact, blind carbon copy. Check that on. I can, and then this person, the training officer, gets a confirmation copy of all the emails that the students receive when they register. In other words, when there is a new registration, the training officer automatically gets an email. So he knows at all times what the registrations are and is ready to get with the materials required for the first night of the class. Next step, package count. Package count is a number of prices that we're going to offer. We said we were going to offer 3 prices here, right? So we go back onto our page and we're going to say package count 3. And you'll see that our screen will change automatically to allow us to enter 3 different price schemes. So package name is Boating Essentials. Printed textbook. And I'm going to copy this now so we don't have to retype it every time. The price will be $290 for members, the same for non-members. Okay, and we don't have an early bird price, so we skip all that and go into the second option. Second option is Boating Essentials ebook textbook. And the price is a bit lower, $250. The same for non-members. And we go to the third option. Control V. Okay, and this is our second family member. Okay, and it's 175 for members, 175 for non-members. Okay, so now we have our 3 pricing schemes, and we're happy. We click submit, and WBAS tells us that the submission was successful. So we click on done. We go back to our menu and see if our course is there online. Go into course calendar. Okay, and we want to see the events by squadron, Agincourt, all courses, and view events now. And there is our course, Boating Essentials Fall 2014. Okay, and we can click on it as if we were going to register. This is our description, the date and time. The date only, it is not showing the time, sorry. The location, the contact information, and the 3 pricing schemes that we enter. So let's assume then that 2-3 months later we've had some registrations. So we want to see how many students we have, okay, and what we need, what materials we need. So we go into course student list, okay, and the squadron, and again is Agincourt, and the event name, I want to see all the registrations that I have for my course. So we click on the course, session package. None. Submit. I'll come back to the session package in a minute. Okay, and here we have a full list of registrations for the course as of today. So we have some full registrations where they require the printed textbook. We have some second family members. We have some ebook options as well. All right. We can view it in Excel. We say yes to ActiveX. We sort the course list, especially if it is a long one, by last name. Okay, and you can give your instructor and proctors a list of the class for the first night. All right, and all the names are sorted alphabetically. Okay, that's one benefit. Now let's go back to the delegates by event option again. The squadron, we're going to say Agincourt. We're going to pick the same course. But now, session package, look at this. We have the options for second family member, for ebook, and for printed textbook. So now you want to make sure that the person at head office who is supposed to be sending the ebook by email to the student has the proper information. So you generate the course list by ebook package option only. And here you have it. Okay, there's 2 people that will require the ebook to be sent to them. So we view it in Excel, say yes again to ActiveX control, and here is our list. Okay, the delegate name, the certificate number, the email, and the phone number. And you want to save this and send it to headquarters to make sure that the people required to receive the ebook do so. Do we want to save this? Not at this time. And we go back to our screen, to menu for WBAS. And this concludes our demonstration on how to set up a single course with multiple pricing options. Thank you for your time and attention. Have a good day.